Hello, welcome dear student. We have finished our chapter number 1, class test also. Now let's begin our chapter number 2, that is MS Windows 7 control panel and more. This is our classroom for class 6 session 2021-2022. I think you have already joined in this classroom. I have uploaded study material, the one which student those who are having not those who are not having textbook, you can refer from here. Click on this textbook PDF file, and I have attached a PDF file here. Just click on there and you will get your textbook. Chapter number 2. The name of our chapter is MS Windows 7. MS means Microsoft Windows 7, Control Panel and more. Previously, we are learning history of computer, and right now we are going to learn what are the things that we can do in control panel. If you learn this control panel, then you will know somewhat. You know how to change something about computer, basic things. If you know also, it will be very helpful if there is any uh, failure in your computer system at home or anywhere else. You can help them in mouse setting or keyboard setting or anything, the one which we are going to learn to your knowledge. The name of our chapter is MS Windows 7 Control Panel and more. In this chapter, we are going to learn the purpose of computer control panel, the various view of control panel, the looks and feel of Windows 7 desktop. Here we are in your textbook. I think they have not upgraded. They are still focusing on Windows 7, but here I don't have Windows 7. That's why we are going to learn in Windows 8. But in school we are using Windows 10, so neither some of the computer may be installing this using this Windows 7, but unfortunately I'm not using this Windows 7, so we are going to learn in Windows 8, but also everything is similar, only some few things. So feel and look must be a little bit different than the expected, as exactly with the Windows 7. But if you have Windows 7 computer at home or with your friends, you can see that the which are not here. How to control and manage keyboard and mouse. This is very important, that how to, if there is small changes in mouse setting and keyboard, you can change by going through this proper way, and how to control and manage notification area icon and task bar icon, how to control and manage the system date and time, and Windows 7 gadgets. Unfortunately, the last point, that is Windows 7 gadget, I cannot show you. I'm just going only for a brief intro, and I'm going to tell you what are the things that in Windows 7 you'll get in a gadget. But after Windows 7, Windows 8 and 10 and all, they have removed these gadgets. You can install this one. If you are installing using this Windows 7, by connecting with the internet, you can install many more gadgets and all, which are not in pre-installed. But here, more than a gadget, right now in the Windows 10, it's similar with Windows 10, Windows mobile and all, and in laptop and all, in some laptop and all, we can get even a screen touch with Windows 10 features and all, Windows 8 and all. So let's go to our chapter. That is how to open a control panel. As the name indicates, control panel is a part of Windows that lets you control and customize its various functions. Yes, if you know where and how to do it, you can control the functioning of computer through control panel. Says that like control panel is a security system for the computer. You can change the computer setting from here in control panel. from the word itself. In your school, let's say there is a control room. You must go to the control room. Means control room means the school is going to control from that by means of any sound or video camera or any systematic locking or something else like that. It is going to control from that room. So by the name itself, it identifies the control room. So like that in computer, control panel is a room which all the settings and all for a computers it gets here. We can control all the computer and all computer settings and all. We can change the setting or edit uh, according to our choice by using this control panel. The control panel is seen as a standard folder in a Windows operating system. The folder contains tools that enable you to view and control various functions of computer. And after this, I'm going to teach you practically. I'll go back. If you don't have your textbook also, join Google Class and click on this. After joining your class, you can go to Classwork. These are the things that we have done. This is for chapter number 1, computer and historical development. This is for chapter number 2. You can get your textbook in PDF file. In previous chapter, I didn't uploaded that textbook in PDF file. It was in picture format. Where is that? This one, chapter number 1, in image file. Let me change this one. Textbook in image file. This is from teacher's side. You are viewing this one from teacher's side, and you are going to see this one in from your student view also. You can get the first chapter in image file and this chapter 2 in PDF file. It's more clearer than before. And when we conduct tests or any uploaded any new study material come up also, you can see here in your chapter 2 or this stream. This is the test result. So let's go to our class. Foregoing control panel, a bit different. I don't have this start button in Windows 8, so it's a bit different than Windows 7. So I cannot show you that start button. I'll show you that this one in textbook. Okay, first thing is, if you're using this Windows 7, click on the start button, the left corner, bottom left corner. There is a start button, view like this. You can click on this one and click on control panel button. There is a button called control panel. You can click on that one, and this opens the control panel window on your screen. Look here, I'll tell you the difference. What is Windows and what is window? There is two different window in Manipuri. It's Thongnao. So window and Windows, what is the difference? Windows, if there is S, then it's a operating system, and if there is no S, then it's a file that is open in the desktop. This one. This is one window. This is one window. This is one window like that. This is one window. The one which we see open box, rectangle box here, this is called window in Windows operating system. Windows, if I say S, then it's operating system, Windows operating system. And window means the rectangular box appear on the desktop of Windows OS. That is the difference. So we see a window here, a control panel window. Here we are going to do all the computer settings and all maximum settings of our computer. Let's go to the next point. View of a control panel. Now I'm going to show you the real one. I don't have this. You can go through a a browser also by clicking on here. Here there is a control panel. You can click on this one also in Windows 10 and 8 also. If you open my computer also, you can click and you can go from here, control panel. And the view here, it's similar to that of Windows 7. This view is similar to that of Windows 7. Only the thing is I don't have this uh, start button in Windows 8 and 10, but in Windows 7 there is a start button and you have to click on the start button and click on the control panel button and that window will open. This window, this is called window. The rectangular box open or appear here in the desktop is called window, and that S1 Windows is operating system. That is the difference. So here, look here, I'm opening this one from our classroom. We have textbook in our classroom. You can refer to that one for those who are not having textbook. So look here, the category view and large icon view. The one which we are looking right now here, count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's see, is there any different in Windows 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So same, it's similar. So I can teach you from here. This is the one that I told you before. It's many things are similar in Windows operating system, only the change of the version that is in Windows 8, Windows 10, Windows 7 and all, only the appearance, some of the appearance has changed and removing of Windows button and all. I think in Windows 10 you have that start button again, but in Windows 8 you don't have. So we have 8 category here. The view of control panel. Let's see the view of control panel. The control panel offers 3 different views: category, large icon, and small icon. Look here, I'm going to show you practically view by. When you open a control panel window here, you can view in 3 category. That is category view, large icon view, small icon view. This is the one they are telling us that control panel offer 3 different views: category, large, and small. So first one, let's see about category view. Tools or command are grouped into 8 categories in figure 1. So we have already seen this one. This is figure number 1. We have that 8 category. All the components are grouped into similar functions and grouped into 8 categories like system and security, network and internet, hardware and sound, programs, user accounts and family safety, appearance and personalization, clock language and really region, and easy to access. Like that in 8 category they have grouped. Here also it's same thing: system and security, network and internet, everything, easy to access, appearance is same thing with this one. So they have grouped similar item or similar icon or similar link into 8 category. This is another view. And large icon view, it's like view individual display in a large icon view. I think this icon, what is icon? The one which you see here in the desktop is called icon. These are all icon. So these are icon, you cannot touch them. So where is that? So in next view, we have seen category view. So it's like everything is putting inside the bag. Look, there are many programs. Look, I have already scattered them. So it's like putting them in 8 bags. In category view, you must know that we have grouped this one in 8 according to their function. We have grouped into 8 categories. So it's like putting them into 8 bags, similar bag, similar item in a one bag. So like that in large icon view, you can view this one in larger icon or larger pictures, small pictures, and smaller icon means will be in smaller form like this. So control panel offer three different type of view, that is category, large icon, and small icon. Now let's see about applets. An application program which can be executed by another program is called applets. The control panel contains several applets. See in table number 1 for a partial list of applets. So these applets are those programs which can be executed, which will run by another program. So what are those? Let's see. Some applets are personalization to control and manage your desktop and other Windows features. Personalization we're going to learn later on. Keyboard, mouse, notification area, date and time. Date and time is very important. We are going to learn later on. If you buy a new computer, or if your computer doesn't this one it's not in a proper date and time, you need to change the date and time, because it will give trouble while connecting internet or anything while you are doing something, or maybe antivirus change, or if you are saving anything, it will give you this one a problem, create a problem. So you need to change in a exact date and time. So for that you need to learn that one. You have to go to control panel, and we are going to learn later on. So these are some applet program which we are going to learn run by a different program, which is going to run by a different program, or which is going to execute by another program. Personalization. First one is personalization. Let's see. Just like you do in your room, set up your study table or your own style, in your own style means, yeah, it's similar like you are organizing your study table. If you are organizing your study table, you must have or put up your timetable schedule, or when you are going to sleep, or when you are going to do study, when you have your online class and all. Right now we don't have a particular class, physical class. That's why we are having online class and all. So like that, if there is any schedule and up, you can put a notice up in front of your table, study table. So like that, according to your needs or according to your requirement, you decorate your own study table or your room. So like that, according to our needs or according to our preference, we decorate our desktop or our computer according to my needs. So like that, similar with that one, you can change its color combination, add up your favorite image, or do lots of things. Do the lots of things like that. You can do a lots of things in computer. Desktop features that you can personalize are theme, wallpaper, screensaver. To access features of personalization of desktop window, try any of the following method. Now we are going to learn how we are going to do that one. Change the theme, wallpaper, and screensaver. uh, I'll tell you the difference between theme and wallpaper. Wallpaper, you have already know that the picture which is behind my desktop is called wallpaper, and screensaver we're going to learn later on. And the theme, what is theme? So if we are going to change this one, we are going to learn how to change it. Click on personalization. After going to that control panel, you have to click on personalization. We're going to click personalization. You can click on right click on the empty area of the desktop also, or you can go to control panel, and it may be in small icon or large icon or category view. You can search that one, and this one you can click on personalization. Let's see this one. Let's see the first one. We are in large icon view, so I have to search for personalization. Where is the here personalization? This is personalization. This is personalization. So there are other method also. Look here, in category view, it must be in appearance and personalization in this back or in this group. Click on this one and you can go like this, personalization, same thing appears. And again, if you go from small icon view, you must have clicked that personalization here. Where is that personalization? Same thing appears. So I'm not going to go from control panel. The other step is right click on the empty space area of desktop. This is my desktop and these are my icons. So right click anywhere in the free space and click here. There is also personalize. You can click on this one, same thing appear. So we don't need to go from control panel. This you can use this shortcut also. After clicking this one, let's learn how to change the theme, wallpaper and screensaver. Changing theme. Theme is a collection. Okay, before doing that one. Okay, next page, that is page number 26. If you have textbook, you can see that one. If you don't have textbook also, no need. You can just watch this video. Applying a theme. Color combination, wallpaper, and other properties taken together are called theme. It's like a bundle. Theme combine all together with wallpaper, color combination, and other animation or other thing, other everything. It's combined. It's a bundle package. When there is a Ningol Chakoba festival or Diwali festival, you must have seen in shop or in uh, chocolate shop or this one. All the chocolate candles and what things are packed in bundle, so you can buy only a biscuit or a chocolate, but it's all bundled up. Or juice, it may be juice, chocolate, biscuit, and rasgulla, everything, it's all bundled up. So that bundle up thing is called theme. So in this theme bundle up, it contains all the combination of color. I mean this color and all. We have gray, we can change this one later on, I'll tell you. And wallpaper and everything is bundled up in a theme, that is called theme for a setting. And we're going to learn how to download and everything. So if we separate them, we can buy those. uh, it may be, in reality it may be a little costlier if you buy in a bundle thing. If you want to buy only a chocolate, then you can buy separately also, like that. If I want to change only wallpaper, I can do that one also. So if you want to buy in a bundle thing, then you can use that theme like that. And I'm giving you that chocolate thing as example. Here we will not see any chocolate. So let's see. I have some themes over here in my computer. So this is one theme, the one which I'm having. If I click on this one, it will change into blue color, and then everything changes here. This is also, even my wallpaper also change like this. uh, it has some pictures, dark pictures. I can see next picture, next background, next desktop background. I have some pictures behind it, behind this theme. So it's a bundle, it's a package. When I select this theme, it changes my windows color, it changes my wallpaper, it changes, maybe it must have changed the sound also. It doesn't have any sound. Let's see another one. Okay, here it changes into green color, and the background, the wallpaper also change, and the screensaver change into bubble. Windows sound must be a custom color. Everything is a bundle up. So I have told you before that when you select a theme, then it will change your desktop background color, sound, maybe bubble. May not be changed also, but it's all bundled up in a thing, in one thing. So that is called theme. If you get more online theme, you can click on here. I'll show you only one. Before getting download or getting online, your computer must be connected with the internet. It's very much important. Without internet, you can not download that one. So it's a little bit slow. So here comes Windows 10 8.1 and Windows 7. I'm having Windows 8. I don't have Windows 7 or 10. So let's see one. Let's download the theme. Download for a game. Okay, download Angry Bird theme. This is a theme package I have downloaded. Open in a folder. I have this one, Angry Bird theme package. It's already downloaded, so I have to click on this one, double click, or you can right click. This one is Angry Bird. You must have all know this Angry Bird. Open, you can click by clicking right click open, or you can just double click over it. After double click, you will get this Angry Bird theme into your personalization theme setting. I have shown you how to download. After clicking on this one, you have to connect with the internet. I will go to your Microsoft support team and will show you some category, games, or it may be animals, or maybe anything, whatever you want. You can choose from here: movies or plants, animal, community, branded, these themes and all. Let me close this one. I have already downloaded. So I have downloaded Angry Bird theme. This one I have applied also. Let me delete this one. I don't want Angry Bird. I have deleted. So Angry Bird theme I have applied it. Look here. This is Angry Bird theme. Colors also it changed. Before that was green, and sound also Angry Bird. Screensaver blank, doesn't have any screensaver. You can apply it in your own way, custom. So let's see how many the wallpapers are there in Angry Bird. These are those wallpapers in Angry Bird theme. You can set next desktop wallpaper like this. So like this you can change the theme or wallpaper. Let me put it in my. So if I want to delete this Angry Bird theme from my system or from my computer, I don't want to uh, apply this furthermore. This is for your educational purpose only. So I'll delete this one. Right click on the theme and delete theme. It will delete our theme from your system. I have deleted downloaded file also, so you'll not get this Angry Bird theme anymore. If you want, you can download it from the internet. It doesn't cost you anything. It's free of course. You can change the theme. It's free of course. So what we have learned how to change theme and how to download from internet and all. So we have learned this one, getting theme from online Microsoft Store, Microsoft support. It's free. You can, if you have computer at home, you can check it. If you have any doubt, also you can ask in our Google Classroom chat. You can comment. You cannot post there, but you can comment. This is our Google Classroom. You can get your textbook from here also. Applying theme, changing Windows wallpaper. This we will learn in next class. And another set of theme called basic and high contrast theme. I'll show you this one and we'll finish it up. Look here, there are different types of theme. This is my theme, the one which I have downloaded from internet. This is Windows original theme. It's pre-installed, means when you buy or when you install this Windows, it's pre-installed, it's already there. That is called pre-installed. And this is high contrast theme. Let me apply it and see. Look like this. It look like this. If you apply high contrast theme, it look like this, a different color. Especially you can use this one in night. All everything black, black out, and only the boundaries or border which in this one. So this is high contrast theme. There are different contrast also. White contrast also. Let's see this one. It's white contrast. Not good to our eyes. Okay, let me change. So let me change in my original one and save custom one. So we have learned this applying theme and getting theme from online also. In next class we are going to learn changing Windows wallpaper and all. I'm teaching this one from our Google Classroom textbook. After finishing this chapter number 2, we'll conduct a online test similar to that of chapter number 1. Okay, let's end here, boys. If you have not joined this Google Classroom, then join it immediately. Thanks for watching.